Welcome to Gayathri's Cook Spot. I am Gayathri Kumar and today I'll show you how to make a cream cheese pound cake. This is made with homemade cream cheese and you can check the link in the description box below. Please subscribe to my channel to receive updates whenever I post a new video. First, preheat your oven to 160 degrees centigrade. All the ingredients must be at room temperature. In a bowl, mix together butter and cream cheese. And beat them for 1 or 2 minutes until nice and creamy. There should not be cream cheese lumps in the mixture, otherwise your final texture of the cake will be different. Once they mix together, add in the sugar and vanilla and beat for 5 minutes. I'm using granulated sugar, but to make the job easier, you can powder it in mixie and then use it. Once it's nicely mixed, add in eggs one at a time. And before adding the next egg, the mixture should be mixed properly. I'm using 4 medium-sized eggs, but you can also use 3 large eggs. Once all the eggs are incorporated, let's mix the flour. Mix together maida, corn flour, baking powder and whisk or sift together the ingredients to combine them. Now add this mixture to the cream cheese butter mixture. And beat it until 75% combined. We don't want to overbeat the mixture. And the final mixing can be done with a spatula. Grease and dust a 9 inches tube pan or a bun pan and transfer the batter into the pan. My pan was a little smaller, it was an 8 inches. So while baking, I added a strip of parchment paper to help it bake. Bake it for 60 to 75 minutes in the preheated oven and remove it and place it on a wire rack. Check it with a toothpick or a cake tester. If using parchment paper, remove it. And allow it to cool for 5 or 10 minutes before flipping it onto a wire rack. Allow the cake to cool completely and cling wrap the cake and let it sit aside at room temperature for 24 hours. It will make your cake very soft. The next day you can serve it. You can serve it as it is or you can add some frosting or a glaze on top. Look at the texture. It's amazing. This makes a very good tea cake. You can also add nuts or choco chips in the batter also. Please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel.